Hello, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using it. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the GloryFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen or home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you can scroll down, find the option called Universal Settings and tap on it, and here we have the option called On-Screen Time. Tap on it, then tap on Bright Screen Length, and here we have list of durations. We have 5 seconds, 10 seconds and 15 seconds. Select the option you like by tapping on it, and then you can go back. So I selected 5 seconds, so basically my screen should turn off automatically after 5 seconds of an activity. So let's wake up the screen and wait 5 seconds. As you can see, the screen turned off. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.